So on the channel today, I'm going to be completing the square. And so here, let me give us our equation. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 3. So what multiplies to 3 but adds to 6? So nothing does. So we're going to have to complete the square. So to complete the square, we're going to set this equal to 0 and subtract 3 from this. Okay. After we do that, we're going to have x squared plus 6x is equal to -3. Now what we are going to do is we're going to get our b, okay, and we are going to use this equation. So we're going to go b divided by 2 squared. So 6 divided by 2 squared would give us 3 squared, which would equal 9. Let me see. So here we'd add positive 9. We'd plug that into the equation. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 would equal -3. What we add onto the left side, we'd have to add onto the right side. So we put plus 9 on this side. And now we can factor this. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 would factor into, well, let's see, x plus 3 and x plus 3. So x squared 3x and then plus 3x will give 6x, and then 3 times 3 will give us 9. And this would equal 6. Okay. So we could just put this and write this x plus 3 parentheses x plus 3 into just this. Squared would equal 6. Now we have to get rid of this square root. So I have to put square root symbol right here and square this and square 6. Alright, and 6 doesn't square into a perfect number. So that's what we would do to do this. So x plus 3, since we already got rid of one of these, so we just get rid of one of those. So this will just come down here, since we square rooted this, would equal the square root of 6. But to do this, we'd find some factors of 6 that are perfect squares. So 3 is a perfect square. So 3 times 2, which equals 6. So it's what we'll use. And so this would equal. So if we just take this 3 out, so 3 squared would give us 1.7. So it'd be 1.7 square root of 2. Whenever we put one square root on this side, it will have to be a plus or minus. So it will have to be x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 1.7 in the square root of 2. And we'd have 2 answer choices since it's plus or minus. So x would equal 1.7 square root of 2. It would also equal -1.7 square root of 2. And this would be our answer. And that is how you complete the square.